What's up, everybody? Pure Entertainment Golf coming at you with a video. Today is actually kind of a sad day. A sad day where I say goodbye to a friend of mine. We haven't known each other long, but he's taking it kind of rough, I think. Well, we'll see how he's going to take it. I'm going to give him a little counseling, little counsel session. Without further ado, the club is getting replaced. Let's give him a talk.
I can't believe you would be doing this to me. Why? What have I done to you? Why would you do this? Why?
Well, Sir Sim, you're so long, but yet I cannot hit a fairway with you. What do you have to say about that?
Distance doesn't matter, you punk ass. If you're 330 down the rough, you're still a wedge in. What does it matter if you're in the fairway? Exactly.
It matters a lot if you're in the fairway. I'm shooting way higher than I should. This other driver that I'm replacing you with is just as good as you, and it hits the fairway.
But it doesn't have the titanium ring.
No, but it's a pretty sexy driver too. It's not even just that. It's just I've been so inconsistent with you.
You and me both know that's not me, that's you. Okay, maybe it's a little bit of me, but it's mostly you.
See, this is where we definitely don't agree. Ever since I got you, it's been a struggle. A struggle.
There's just no way that your new driver looks as good as me. I'm pretty sure. Where's it at? Where's it at, huh?
Well, if you want to meet the new driver who's taking your place, let's bring him in. Hey, Happy Gilmore, come on down.
What's up, everybody? I'm the new beast in town. Welcome to the channel of where I take over against Simmy. I'm the ZX7. Does that mean I'm next?
Yes.